everyone, so today is going to be an exciting video and we have got the Revolution advent calendar. This is the one that's available on the Revolution website, and I think you can maybe buy from Boots. If it's available on both, I will link it on both. But I bought it on the Revolution website. This cost me, well, it costs £48. It didn't cost me £48. I used Lucy's code, Luce20, which I'll put on the screen here. It's not an affiliate code for her or anything like that. She doesn't get any kickback. Just the more people use it, the more the code stays active. And that gives us a discount off it as well. But even with that discount, I did have Revolution points that I got accumulated last year, and I end up getting, me personally, I got this advent calendar for about £20 with Lucy's discount code and my Revolution vouchers. So I got this really cheap, but like I said, it is £48 for 28 days, and I think that is quite up there in price for an advent calendar, especially like a singular brand of a, I know Revolution are trying to not be budget, but they are a budget brand. Well, that's how they started. So we're going to do 48 shared by 24. That works out at £2 a day according to my calculator. And we're going to unbox it in anyways. They do have a super jug version, which is a lot cheaper. I'll have that link down below, and I have done a video on that as well. But anyways, we're going to get into this. I'm still excited. So it looks totally different to the super jug version, and obviously this is on the Revolution website, which I feel like you could buy from the Revolution website in a lot more countries if I'm right. So yeah, that's quite exciting. But don't forget to try and use Luce20 if hopefully the code is still working for you guys. So it works out about £2 a day in anyway. So let's get into it. I will link both the versions down below for you though. So day number 1. Day number 1 is a pout bomb, and how stunning is that? I'm not gonna lie, that is actually on another level of beautiful. So this is like a really sparkly lip gloss, actually stunning, really nice, beautiful. If I wore stuff like that, that would be beautiful on Christmas. I haven't decided whether that's something I'm gonna keep, but wow. Then we've got day number 2, which is a massive day. Oh wow, everything's fell. So day number 2, we've got one of these in the super drug one, but I don't know if it's the same colour. This one is in Pink Seduction, and this is a highlighter. How so pretty is that? These are actually a line that they sell as well, which is good, because I do like when we get actual products that they sell from their lines. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to subscribe down below, because products that I don't use from these advent calendars, I do use a lot for an advent calendar for my niece, my sister, my sister-in-law. But other items, I make 2 advent calendars, and I do 2 big advent calendar giveaways from products from all the advent calendars I unbox. I pick a couple of products from each one, and yeah, I do 2 advent calendars. So I would love it if you subscribe down below. So we've got day number 3, and anyways, we got here, they have got a lipstick, and these are like the style that they used to do. I don't know whether they still do as a product, but they used to cost £1. I mean, price is different. I can't wait there. Have we got a shade? This is in Cupcake Pink. So it's a pinky shade, and that's what it looks like there. And day number 4, which is here, we have got another highlighter, and it is in the Raise the Bar. This is what it looks like there. Really pretty. It's like a marbly design. Very nice. And I would pay £2. Like everything I've gotten, majority, I would pay £2. If they were products I would use. I don't wear highlighter because I'm older. I feel like it emphasizes my texture. That was day number 4. We want day number 5, which is here. We have got a eyeliner pencil, but it's not black. It says eyeliner, it doesn't say eyebrow. I'm double checking because I haven't got my eye. So it's a brown eyeliner pencil. I feel like that would be such a brow pencil shade though as well. So I feel like you could multi-use it as an eyeliner or a brow pencil. Maybe that's why they've listed it as an eyeliner. But yeah, that was day number 5. Quite canny product. That's something I probably will try and use on my eyebrows. Right. We want day number 6, which is this one here. I like how they've put a line so you know that that's day number 6. I think that's good. That's good thinking on them. I mean, it doesn't matter really, does it? But some people it matters too. We have got a blush bomb, and we have got it in the shade Cute Pink. And this is what it looks like here. Now, I'm sure we got a blush bomb in the Superdrug one, but I don't know what shade it was. Oh, I feel like this is a different shade. I could be wrong. This is here. I feel like this is a bit deeper. Oh, that's pretty. And that is what it looks like there. Really nice. I'm happy with that day. I think that's a good day. That was day number 6. We wanted day number 7, which is a big square. And I've got the biggest feeling it's a mirror. No, it's not. Oh, I don't know whether this is worse than a mirror. It is Face and Body Gems. You can tell me what you think about that for a £48 advent calendar. Because let's just say I don't want to say what I think of it. That was day number 7. We want day number 8. Looks like a lipstick. No, it's not. It's an eye shimmer in it. Look at that. It's like purple and silver and lilac and oh wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful. So Halloweeny to me though. But I mean, I'm opening it before Halloween, but you know, really nice though. And if you love eye shimmers, that's so pretty. So that's day number 8. And day number 9, which is this one here. I'm guessing maybe a mirror. If we get a mirror and then face gems in this advent calendar. We have got another lipstick, and it is in Heartache Nude. They have no smell of them. That's what it looks like. They're really bonny colour. Really bonny colour. Especially if you love to wear lipsticks. They, from what I remember, are a good like formula of lipsticks. That's 9. When day number 10, I'm guessing maybe a brush because it's so long. I think it is. We've got a brush. That's what's here. It looks like that. Really nice quality. Feels nice quality. Yeah, that's nice. I'm happy with that product there. I think that's a good product. And it's a full size brush too, so you can't complain. It was 10. We went day number 11, which is down here. We have got a powder blush in the shade Pink Lady. That is what it looks like. Yeah. Very pale pink. Would be like, gives you that rosy, flushed look, I think. Really pretty. That was 11. We want day number 12. Is this one here. We have got the translucent baking powder. I'm quite excited about this. We definitely got like something similar to this, but in a different shade in the Superdrug one. I got the lace powder last time in last year's advent calendar. I'm still using it now. To be honest, I don't even think I've like got it there. You get a lot, and I really like it. So I'm quite excited about this translucent one because I've heard so many good things. I know that's a product that they sell in their line. I feel like they should sell this size because I think the size that they normally sell like is bigger than that. But honestly, that's like the perfect size. You don't need any more. That's 12. We want day number 13, which is yeah. We have got our first lip gloss, and it is in this gorgeous chocolatey shade. Really bonny. That's what it looks like there. That was 13. We went to day number 14, which is here. We have got a lip liner in the shade Chauffeur. Now this is like one of their famous type shades. It's a very popular shade. Let's have a look at this. Oh, that's so bonny. So bonny. That's it there. I feel like I already own that one as well, but I know it's like a popular one. It's like a bestseller, I think. I'm sure it is. That's 14. We want 15, which is this one here. Wrapped in tissue. We have got a lip mask. That's something different. I quite like that. I think that's quite cute. I feel like we maybe got these in last year's. I'm not sure. I'll have to look because I may own this already. But I think that's a good little product. Nice size as well. And I know like lip masks and things like that are becoming a big thing. That's 15. We're on to day number 16. Big one down here. We have got a sponge, a little black sponge, very cute, nice, and obviously it'll expand when it gets bigger. 17, which is this one here, wrapped in tissue. We have got a liquid highlighter, and my god, look at that. That is stunning. If that was something that you liked, my lord, how pretty is that? Actually beautiful, beautiful. And 18, got a glazed lip oil. I'm literally wearing the glazed lip oil right now, so, and it's beautiful. It's really nice. I'm wearing, and this is from the Superdrug Advent Calendar. So this one has got a tiny hint of a tint, but you can't really see that. It's got a hint of a tint. Yeah, so I'm so excited about that one because this is beautiful. Yeah, and that one was from the Superdrug Advent Calendar. So I'm so chuffed to have another one because their lip oils are beautiful. That was 18. We want day number 19. Which is down here, I'm guessing, a mirror. I feel like we're just going to get the mirror and it's coming. Oh, no, it's not. It's a powder puff. I literally just used that powder puff today. Here's mine. I got a few of these last year in last year's Advent Calendar. Oh, look. They've made them a little bit smaller. Sneaky, sneaky, look. And I love it. I got like 3 or 4 and I'm on to my last one now. So I'm glad I've got replacements. I will say it's a little bit smaller, but they feel the same. But yeah, it's definitely a little bit smaller. What do you guys think? But love that product, so I'm happy to have another one of them. So that was 19. We want 20, which is here. We have got a black eyeliner pencil. And this is what it looks like there. Just a standard black eyeliner pencil. I'm not an eyeliner wearer. I am probably the worst person to unbox like full makeup Advent calendars because I'm not really a full makeup girl. I'm very basic. I wear the same things all the time. So that's 20. We want 21, which is this one here. Yeah, it takes a lot for me to be like, oh, yeah, I'll try that. Right, we've got something wrapped. Got a brow gel in a clear shade. I really quite like the ones that we've got in previous years. The one in the Shrek calendar was really good. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. That is what it looks like there. There's a little spoolie and it's a brow gel. What more can you really ask for? Really fab. So that's 21. We want 22. 22 is this newly toned 90s style lip colour lip gloss. Do you have a shade? It is a matte lip gloss, by the way, so it's going to be matte. So it's not lip gloss then, is it? Because lip gloss isn't matte. So it's a matte lip. Yeah, okay. It doesn't have a shade, but yeah, that's what it's like there. And according to it, it is matte. So it's a matte lip. But yeah, that's 22. We want 23, which is this long, skinny one. What could this be? We got another lip liner or something. Yep, in this shade Divine, I think it says. Yep, I was right. I'm double checking because I haven't got my glasses on. I never wear my glasses. Really nice 90s lip shade. I feel like they're getting the 90s lips in these Advent calendars. So that was 23. So our last day, which is 24. We have got, oh, this is different. A mini reloaded palette, but in the like most funniest little shade range, to my opinion. It's definitely not something I would wear. Yeah, I'm not so keen on this colorway. What do you guys think? The colorway actually goes with the theme, like the colors of the calendar, I will say that. But yeah, it's not my cup of tea. But I know the Reloaded like eyeshadows and stuff like that are like really good. A lot of people I know actually love the formula, the Reloaded palette. And that is the advent calendar. If I'm being truly honest, I feel like you should probably just get the Superdrug one. I'm sure the Superdrug one's quite cheaper. So like if you can't use Luce's code, which is Luce20, I feel like the Superdrug one is just as good value as this one. But maybe watch both of my unboxings or both of anybody's unboxings and see what you think. But yeah, in my opinion, I think the Superdrug one is better value for money. But you do get Revolution points, and then if you can get Luce's discount code on this, that does give you a discount. Or if you've got Revolution points and you need to spend them, yeah, it's canny enough, but I still just think it's just a little bit pricey at 48. I think £40 is like a nice point, but I do like how they've got their products in, and obviously I got a lot cheaper, so I'm happy with what I paid for it and what I got. But what were them face gems about? We didn't get the mirror, but we got face gems instead. Let's just say that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you like these type of unboxings, I've got lots of advent calendars coming your way, and I've already done quite a few already, and we're just in September. Yes, but if you haven't already, I would love that you subscribe down below. You have to be subscribed to be able to enter my giveaways out for the advent calendars. And yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.